In English, negating a statement usually relies on the words no or not. German, however, uses 3 distinct tools, each assigned to a specific grammatical role. The tools nein, nicht, and kein appear in distinct contexts, answering with nein, denying actions with ich komme heute nicht, or lacking items with ich habe kein Auto. Structurally, nein is a direct answer, nicht negates actions and descriptions, and kein is for nouns. Learning when to switch between these 3 tools allows you to build negative sentences that sound natural to a native speaker. We begin with the most direct form of negation. Nein functions as a direct response to a yes or no question. If someone asks, kommst du heute? Are you coming today? You answer with nein. In German, you cannot use nein inside a complete sentence to negate a verb. For actions or descriptions, use nicht. When denying an action, nicht appears near the end. Ich koche heute becomes ich koche heute nicht. But for descriptions, nicht sitzt before the adjective. Die Suppe ist warm becomes die Suppe ist nicht warm. The placement of nicht identifies the focus of the negation. You are either stating that an event isn't happening at all, or you are rejecting a specific detail about a person, place, or thing. The third tool, kein, is mandatory when you negate a noun that uses the article ein or eine, or a noun with no article at all, such as plural or uncountable objects. While English often uses not a car, the German equivalent requires the noun negator. Ich habe nicht Auto is incorrect. Because Auto is a noun that would normally take the article ein, it must be negated as ich habe kein Auto. Because kein functions like ein, it takes the accusative ending before a masculine direct object. Einen Kaffee becomes keinen Kaffee. But watch for exceptions. With possessives like mein, use nicht. For separable verbs, place nicht before the prefix at the end. Decide if nicht, keine, or keinen fits best. 1 is nicht, negating the action. 2 is keine, for the noun sight. 3 needs the masculine accusative keinen. 4 is nicht, for the adjective teuer. 5 is nicht, due to the possessive mein. Using kein correctly requires identifying the gender of the noun and its specific role in sentence. It ensures the grammar of the negation matches the grammar of the object being negated. In a natural conversation, these 3 forms often work together. To the question, kommst du am Samstag? The response might be, nein, ich komme am Samstag nicht. Ich habe keine Zeit. Each word handles a different part of the refusal: the direct answer, the action, and the noun. To correct a negative statement with a positive alternative, use the conjunction sondern, which translates to but rather. For example, ich trinke keinen Kaffee, sondern Tee. You can navigate these choices by asking 3 questions. Is it a direct answer? Use nein. Are you negating a noun with ein or no article? Use kein. If you are negating an action, an adjective, or a specific noun phrase, use nicht. German negation is a logical system of categorization. By identifying what you are negating, you can select the correct tool every time. Visit falowen.app to learn more German.